Homework set number 2 for ECE 401 Senior Design 1 looks at creating your work breakdown structure. So if you go to Bison Academy, under homework set number 2, and the corresponding lectures over here, you get the assignment. The assignment here is to create a OneNote document, just one document per group. Call your OneNote document ST401 Vol 24, whatever the term is, YY. Add sections in your OneNote document, one for each homework set. For example, the first section would be your project selection, with the pages being the project description and contact information. Next section for homework 2 are the requirements. That's your project charter, engineering requirements, and Gantt chart. Homework set 3 is your paper design. We'll fill these in later. Homework set 4, simulation, 5, 6, 7. Once you create your OneNote document, share it with each member of your group and your instructors. Now, an idea of how to get started, if you go under here, sample OneNote document, that kind of gives an idea of what it can look like. You can change the format if you want. Just make it so that we can actually read it and find your homework sets. When you submit your homework, you actually won't submit anything. The homework is basically put into your OneNote document. So each week, Jeff and I will go through your OneNote document and check to see, do you have the project requirements, contact information, the different sections under homework 2, 3, and 4. And we will revise the grades throughout the semester. So if you get points off on one of the sections, just revise it, complete it, fill it in better, and we will regrade that. So that is homework set number 2 for ECE 401 Design 1. And this is due at the start of class on week 3.